Hi, this is I Love Beauty, and today we're going to talk about meditation. So let's get started. Meditation is good for so many reasons, and I'm going to discuss the benefits with you as we meditate. Um, but this is something that I used to do when I was younger, and now I'm going to make it a habit of meditating again. Okay, so I want you guys to meditate with me, and um, maybe I can walk you guys through it on what I remember about meditation. Okay, all right. So the first thing you do is, well, the first thing you really need to know is that you don't need to have a special place in the beginning to meditate. Most people feel like they need to set a special place for it. They need to have everything to be perfect to meditate. That's far from the truth. You don't need to have everything perfect to meditate. Meditation, one of the benefits of meditation is that um, it can relieve stress, okay? And stress doesn't just hit you at a scheduled time. Stress actually can hit you when you're not expecting it. And I believe that if you are able to meditate, um, then it can help you to deal with certain stresses in your life. Okay, case in point, right? Um, you're at work, your boss is just put a stack of extra work on your desk, and you're already behind. You know, that's stress. So that's a time when you can, if you can, to just take a deep breath and exhale. That's the basis of meditation, is being able to control your breathing or be aware of your breathing, okay? That's so important, to be aware of your breathing, okay? And you can be aware of your breathing anywhere. Did I say anywhere? Anywhere you are, okay? All right, so let's get down to being serious about meditation, okay? All right, so wherever you guys are right now, I want you to stop and meditate with me, okay? Okay, let's go. Take a deep breath and close your eyes and exhale. Try to keep them closed, okay? Try to keep them closed. No peeking. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. And this may be hard at first. It's difficult to, for many people, including myself. When I was younger, this was much easier, guys. It's difficult to keep your eyes closed at first. I can feel my heart racing. Can you guys feel your heart racing? Inhale, exhale. And it shouldn't be forced. It should be natural. Oxygen is good for the body. If your body is well oxygenated, it can help you to fight stress. That's why it's always important to be aware of your breathing. Focus on your breathing. And focus on your heart rate. Breathe. Feel your body relax. Don't think about work. Don't think about your children at this point. Don't think about anything that is stressing you. I just want you to breathe. In, out. Feel yourself start to relax. I hold tension in my face, in my jaw. Where do you feel tension? Is it in your eyes? Your temples, in your cheeks, in your jaw. Where do you feel tension? In your neck. Feel the tension fade away with each breath. How much time do you guys have left? I'm going for 11 minutes, guys. Breathe. Okay, I want to give you guys an exercise, okay? This is going to be fun. I want you to think about a whole cheese pizza, okay? And it's already cut. And I want you to imagine picking up a slice of pizza. And I want you to envision that it is hot and fresh out of the oven from Pizza Hut or Domino's or Papa John's. And I want you to imagine how stretchy the cheese is. Wow. I ordered extra cheese on my pizza, so it's really, really stretchy. Wow. Now take a bite. Be careful, it's hot. Wow, I can taste the garlic and the tomato sauce and the cheese. Wow, that was good. Okay, guys, open your eyes. All right. You just took a slice of time from your day. You just took a slice of time from your day. Did you enjoy it? Did you have a good time? Do you feel relaxed? I want you guys to practice this every day. I don't want you to like go out and buy a pizza, from Papa John's or Pizza Hut or any of those places. I'm not encouraging you to get you a big, massive pizza. I'm not encouraging that. But because this is all about meditation. But if you do that, let me know. I had fun today, guys. Pretty relaxed. But yeah, I want you guys to try to do this on a regular basis, okay? Because this is a process. Part of meditation is, there are different types of meditation, okay? This is a tidbit, a bonus feature right here. Part of meditation, or one technique in meditation, is to envision yourself in a place that is happy, or that you want to be, or that is relaxing, okay? So today's exercise was about envisioning a big pizza pie, okay? And I hope you had a good time. And guys, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.